In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on IBKR Desktop. So there's actually a bunch of different ways you can do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it inside simulated trading over here. Now, when you open up your portfolio, automatically, if you're still on default IBKR Desktop, over here on the right-hand side, you'll be able to already see some buy order and sell order buttons, and you can then go ahead and do this in here. However, it's not the most convenient because there's other ways. Now, to actually trade, you could go to, for example, your watch list over here, and as you can see, you can click on anything here inside your watch list and you can create orders, buy or sell orders over here on the right, which is quite convenient. And I'm going to show you how to actually trade with these in a second. And then you can go to quote over here, where you'll basically be able to see your current or recent searches, your portfolio, favorites, etc. You'll be able to see a chart over here, and then of course you can see the option chain as well, the analysis, stuff like that. And then on the right here, you'll be able to see the buy order and sell order buttons, again, the same ones as you were able to see earlier. Of course, you could also go to layouts over here, and then inside layouts, you have the buy and sell orders here as well. So those are basically kind of all the places where you can actually trade. So I'm gonna now show you how to do this. If I go to quote here, I click on buy order, it's going to pop up this box here where you can basically go ahead and set up an order. So you can, of course, first select your quantity, either in shares or USD, that's completely up to you. And then you can select which type of order you want. So for example, limit, market, or any of these available over here. So for example, stop or stop limit, you could do that if you wanna. And then here, in case you selected a limit order, you can select your limit price and then select the time in force, which they have a few options for. You could also attach orders where you can basically select this profit taker, which is essentially like a take profit. And then here you also have the stop loss option, which you can basically add to add a stop loss. And then whenever you're ready, just click on preview, and then you can go ahead and submit buy order. And the same goes for sell orders. It's literally the same over here, for the exception that with this one you're buying and with this one you're selling. And that way you're basically trading on IBKR Desktop. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.